Hello, this is chapter number 2, The Sound of Music, part 1. Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing. So this is about Evelyn Glennie and you can see her photograph here. Some important points before we go into the chapter and explanation. So the first thing about her is she was a percussionist. Second, she was deaf. Third, she overcame her deafness and became successful musician in the world. So here is the first paragraph of the chapter, rush hour crowds. Rush hour crowd means people going for their work or to office, etc. Joshel is a verb and the meaning of this word is to push roughly for position on the underground train platform. So these are the people and they are on the underground train platform pushing one another for position. A slight girl. Slight means thin, a thin girl looking younger than her 17 years. So she is 17 years but she does not look her age. She looks younger than it. Was nervous yet excited. These are the feelings of the girl. She was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. Approaching means coming train. So she could feel the vibration of the approaching train and that is why she is nervous and excited. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music. So where was she going to? She was going to the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. And daunting enough. Daunting means frightened. For any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. A Scottish farm means from Scotland. So she is going to the prestigious Royal Academy but she is frightened. But this aspiring musician, aspiring means want to be. So she is an inspiring musician, faced a bigger challenge than most. What? She was profoundly means severely deaf. This is paragraph number 2. It says how she lost her hearing capability. Evelyn Glennie's loss of hearing had been gradual. Gradual means slow. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. So it was when she was 8 years old and she was waiting to play piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennie. Isabel Glennie is the name of her mother and she said they called her name but she did not respond. And she realized that she had not paid attention to it. She further says for quite a while Evelyn managed to conceal. So for quite a while means for a long time. She managed to conceal means hide her growing deafness from teachers and friends. But by the time she was 11, but now she was 11 years old and her marks had deteriorated. Deteriorated means to weaken. And her headmistress urged means requested her parents to take her to a specialist. A specialist means to a doctor. It was then discovered when the parents took her to the doctor, it was found that her hearing was severely means badly damaged. Impaired means damaged as a result of gradual nerve damage. Gradual means slow nerve damage. Then they were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids. Now she was unable to hear, so what doctor advised? Fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for deaf. Everything suddenly looked black. Who says? Evelyn. Evelyn says when it happened, everything suddenly looked black. Looked black means seemed hopeless. This is paragraph number 3 and here, but Evelyn was not going to give up. Give up means to stop. She was determined. Determined means have a strong desire. So she was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. What she wanted to lead a normal life, not a life of handicapped, and pursue her interest. Pursue means to continue her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. What she saw? A girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it. Play it means the xylophone too. Most of the teachers discouraged her. As she wanted to learn music, she approached most of the teachers. But what they did? Discouraged her. But percussionist Ron Forbes spotted means noticed, identified her potential, her ability to learn music. He began, how he taught? He began by tuning two large drums. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Notes means sound, symbol in music. What he said, don't listen through ears, because he knew Evelyn was not able to listen. He would say, try to sense it, try to understand it. Sense means recognize, understand it, some other way. Suddenly I realized, Evelyn further said, what she realized, I could feel the higher drum. Higher drum means there were two drums. Higher drum from the west up and lower one from the west down. Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn found that she could sense certain notes, certain music, certain symbols in different parts of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound and vibration. By now, she had learned to open her mind and body to sounds and vibrations. Means she was well aware of vibrations and sounds, not through ears but through body parts. The rest was sheer determination, but she further said it was not all. There were sheer determination and hard work. Paragraph number 4. She never looked back from that point onwards. Means after learning music from Ron Forbes, she never looked back. Look back means to think about past. So she did not think about her past and she toured. Toured means to visit. So she visited United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. And by the time she was 16, she has decided to make music her life. Orchestra means music band. What she says, she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, which is situated in London, and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy, though she was deaf. After learning, and at the age of 16, she auditioned for the Royal Academy, and her score was the highest in the history, one of the highest in the history of the Academy. Audition means to give a short performance. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. Now, as we know, she was a member of an orchestra team, but now she turned to solo performances. Solo means alone, single. And at the end of her 3 years course, she studied there for 3 years in the Royal Academy of Music, and she captured most of the top awards. Captured means to receive most of the top awards in music. This is paragraph number 5. And for this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. So heroic means which requires extreme courage. And heroic achievement means achieved through superior ability. So if something is achieved through superior ability, Evelyn will not accept it. And what she further says, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Get there means you will reach there. If you have a target, if you have a goal and you're working hard, putting your efforts, then definitely you will achieve the goal. She further says she got right to the top. And what we see, she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist. What is sought after, wanted by many people, because she was rare, she was deaf, and she was master with the mastery of 1,000 instruments. Master means great skill. Of how many instruments? 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. She also had hectic. Hectic means very busy, not national but international schedule. People from all over the world wanted to listen to her performances. That is why she was sought after, multi-percussionist. Sought after means wanted by many people. And she does not take it very simple. It was not heroic achievement for her. She says if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there.